For decades, the only place to replace modern car keys was at the dealership. Not anymore. Now you can easily sell them at your store. Car Keys Express has launched a commercial key program that's revolutionizing the way people buy car keys. It uses a do-it-yourself ordering device to simplify automotive key replacement. You'll save your customers money while creating a new revenue stream for your business. It's called ROKS, the Retail Optical Key Scanner. ROKS is like a car key store in a box. Now you can offer high-dollar keys, remotes, and smart keys. It's easy. Just 2 steps. Pick and pair. First, pick the make, model, and year. Pick the key that matches your customer's key. Insert the customer's existing key. ROKS will take a picture of the key blade. We'll ship you a new key that's already cut. Next, pair the key to the customer's vehicle using a diagnostic tool or a Car Keys Express Easy Installer. That's it. Modern key replacement is now easier than ever. There's no investment in equipment, no inventory, and no significant training. The decades-long dealership key replacement monopoly has consumers desperate for affordable alternatives. Help them save the time, expense, and hassle of a dealership service appointment. They'll help you make key replacement your new fastest-growing category.